In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove pop-ups on Shopify. If you've ever been overwhelmed by unexpected pop-ups on your Shopify store, you know how distracting they can be for both you and your customers. They can divert attention from the shopping experience and can potentially deter visitors from exploring your store. Luckily, removing them is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you have a smooth process. First and foremost, you need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Make sure you're using your administrator credentials to access all the necessary settings. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your dashboard where you'll see a tab labeled Online Store. It's from this menu that we'll be making most of the required changes. Clicking on Online Store unfolds several more options beneath it. You'll see various subcategories, but the one we're interested in today is Themes. The Themes section not only controls the aesthetic layout of your store but also provides access to editing the underlying code if needed. Choose the theme you're currently using, as modifications will be tailored to it. This is crucial because if you apply changes to a different or inactive theme, it won't affect your live store. Once you have selected your theme, you'll notice a button on the right labeled Actions. Click on this button to delve further into customization options, specifically focusing on Edit Code. Navigating the Shopify code editor might feel intimidating, but don't worry, it's simpler than it seems. Focus your attention on the left panel where you'll find various file directories. Scroll through and locate the directory named Assets. Within Assets, you're most likely to find files related to styling such as CSS and JavaScript. The pop-up settings are typically scripted within these files. Find a file that looks like it could contain pop-up settings, often labeled with terms such as popup.js or variations thereof. Open this file to review its contents. Your primary aim here is to identify and comment out or delete the sections of code responsible for invoking pop-ups. Before you make any deletions, it's highly advisable to keep a copy of the current code somewhere safe, just in case you need to revert back. Once you've managed to identify and neutralize the pop-up script, save the changes you've made. You should always check back on the live storefront to confirm that the pop-up is now disabled. Refresh your store to see if the pop-up appears. If it's indeed gone, congratulations, you've successfully removed the pop-up from your Shopify store. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to remove pop-ups from your Shopify store. This method ensures a cleaner, more seamless shopping experience for your customers. Don't forget to keep your store updated and regularly check through your settings to ensure optimal customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching and happy selling on Shopify.